Hi everyone, welcome back. First of all, I would like to apologize for being absent from YouTube for quite some time, but I had a lot going on at the same time, so I had to take time off and treated myself to something that I actually enjoy doing, which is building and modifying and making it fit. So here we have a little farm truck that I've been working on. JJRC Q60, Q61 cab, and a lot of 3D printed, well, a few 3D printed parts and some custom made parts, and as a mishmash of WPL, JJRC and MN, and obviously some of my own parts also. This is what I like to do. I prefer waste time and just mess around and create something different, rather than just bolt it together. Anybody can just buy any parts and bolt together, but to actually make it your own is totally different. They are WPL wheels also with the custom rings. That's what I had on the C34, but I took him off that and put him here because now we have different wheels on the C34. So yeah, inside the cab we got a little companion for the old lady, and of course the old lady as a driver. Let's take it out for a spin and see how it performs.